Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to build a website, a WordPress website in a simple way. First of all, you select a WordPress plan in wordpress.com. Second, set up your domain name and hosting provider. Hosting provider. Third step is install WordPress. Fourth step is choose your theme. Fifth is add posts and pages to your website. Sixth is customize your website. Seventh is install plugins. Eighth is optimize your website to increase page speed. Ninth, get inspired from WordPress website example. WordPress is by far the most popular CMS today. It's easy of use and versatility enable the majority of users and business owners to create a website that work for their needs. Here is how you can do the same. Select a WordPress plan. To begin, create your website. Select a WordPress plan as started earlier with WordPress.org. Only have one you have only one free plan option, but it requires you to buy your domain, hosting provider, plugin, themes, and everything else related to your WordPress. With WordPress.com, you will have to choose between the 5 plans they offer. The main differences between these plans are monthly free fee, type of site customization, and the access you get the marketing tools. Step 2 is set up your domain name and hosting provider. Set up your domain name and choosing your hosting provider for WordPress typically happen around the same time in the website creation process. Before we talk about how to complete those tasks, let's discuss the difference between your domain name and hosting provider. Think about your domain name as your home address. It's how your visitor are able to locate your website on the internet. Your domain name will look something like this: www.example.com. Your hosting provider is like your house. It's where your website files are actually stored. Without a hosting provider, your site would not have space on server to live. Some of the best WordPress hosting providers include WP Engine, Bluehost, and Kinsta. How to pick and hosting providers. Again, WordPress.org requires you to create your own domain and find a third-party hosting provider for your website. WordPress.com allows you to decide whether or not you want to a custom domain depending on the plan you choose, but it takes care of the hosting for you. Your hosting provider is important too because it impacts your website speed, security, and reliability. There are hundreds of providers to choose from, which is why we put together a list of 2020 of the best WordPress hosting provider to help you decide that what will work best for you. All of these providers meet WordPress. So the third step is install WordPress. If you are using a hosting provider outside of WordPress, you will need to install the CMS to connect your new domain to your website. This time let's go Daddy. As an example, don't worry, no matter the hosting provider you choose, this process looks similar. The fourth step is choose your theme. You can customize your WordPress website using WordPress, many themes and templates, each of which contains a multitude of layouts, formatting style, colors, fonts, and other visual options. WordPress automatically applies a default theme that looks rather plain. You can keep it, but your website visitor may not be so impressed. A custom WordPress theme, whether it's paid or free, will make your website look appealing and professional to your buyer personas. The fifth one is add posts and pages to your website. When you add content to your WordPress website, it's actually displayed in the form of posts and pages. Posts are typically used for blogging and portfolios because they automatically place your newest website content at the top of your featured content. Pages are static, which is very why they appeal more to business owners. The added content stays in the some places. In the some places, the sixth one is customize your website beyond the theme you choose. There are a number of ways to further customize your website. Let's review a few options. First, let's customize your website title from your admin dashboard. Select setting then go to general. Here add your website title and tagline. You can also toggle other basic site information like URL, email, time zone, and more. Next, let's customize your rating section. Under section, go to settings, then go to reading section. You can change your home page to static page. Consider this if you are a business owner who prefer having content remain in a place on your website. The seventh is install plugins. Install plugins. Plugins are piece of software that add many functionality to your WordPress website and enhance to the user experience. With over 55,000 available plugins, there are options for most every type of website and user. Some of the most popular plugins available include Hotspot, WordPress plugin easily add pop-ups, forms, and live chat to your WordPress website. And as an added bonus, pair this plugin to other CRM plugin with your HubSpot CRM. All-in-one SEO, a top-rated SEO plugin that is used by business to improve their ranking and uncover new SEO growth opportunities. The eighth option is optimize your website. The eighth step is to optimize your website to increase page speed. Website performance is a critical part of the user experience. If a page takes too long to load, your visitor will move quickly to another site. You don't want to frustrate visitors with low speed. You can improve your website performance by enabling browser caching. Browser caching is the process of temporarily storing your website data on your visitor browser. That way, your content does not need to be sent from the web server for it to appear in the browser, which increase the website speed. To enable caching of your website, install and activate a caching plan with the process described above. The next step is get inspired from WordPress website examples. As you begin to customize your website, you may feel overwhelmed by all the options you have. Instead of starting completely from scratch, It helps to grab some inspiration from other